Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we'll be building a book recommendation system using Python. Okay, so first we need to see what are the techniques we'll be using. We'll be using simple machine learning techniques, and we'll be using TF-IDF vector, and we'll be using cosine similarity to suggest multiple books based on like books title and authors. Okay, so this will be the first video of this recommendation series where we'll be increasing the complexity in the following video, where in the last video we'll be building like some data mining algorithm based some recommendation system. Okay, so let's start the code. So first let's see the data set. We have this books data.csv. Here you could see we have book id, we have title, we have authors names, and we have average rating of those books. Okay, so let's do that now. First our step will be to import our libraries, right? So for the libraries we'll be using simple this pandas, numpy, then sklearn dot from sklearn dot feature extraction, right? Extraction dot text. We need to import TF-IDF vectorizer. Okay, now again from sklearn dot matrix dot pairwise we need to import linear kernel. Then to plot some visualization graphs we need plotly plotly dot express as px. Okay, then as last we need import plotly dot graph objects as go. Let's run this. Okay, import plotly dot express as px, no module plotly, it will be plotly. So done. Now our next step will be to load our data set, right? So in data simply pd dot read csv. We have our books data.csv file. Then we'll be simply print data dot head to check the first 5 rows. So this is okay. Now we need to check our data set. So let's check some information. You could see we have book id, title, authors, average rating, and all out of non-null, and book id of integer 64, and the rest out of objects. Okay, now let's visualize some context over here. So for that, as you can see, we have average rating. So let us plot some graph of average rating with some frequencies. Okay, so for that what we're doing, we will be, let's say, let's pulse some histogram. I will be passing data x average rating with n bins should be 30. Title I wanna give, let's say, distribution of average ratings. Okay, big dot update x axis, our title text would be in this case average rating, and for the y-axis fig dot axis we have title text should be frequency, then simply fig.show. Here you could see, yeah, get it? So these are the rating distribution across with frequencies. Okay, now let's do some data cleaning part where we'll be convert our rating, because here you could see the average rating is in the data type of object, but as we'll be comparing this cosine similarity, so we need to convert this object type into numerical type. Okay, so for that, data of, let's say, average rating, here td dot, I'll be converting this feature so to numeric. Here data average rating, okay, average rating with its codes. Let's run this, and I'll be also need to do one more changes, that I need to combine the title and author to one single feature, so that when user gonna write the book's name with the author name, it should search my like this data set together, right? So we need to create another column, let's say book content. In this book content, I'll be modifying the column. Okay, so data title, what I'll be doing, I'll be merging this with author, so authors, right? So let's run this as well. Done. So now if I print, I didn't change totally, yes. So you could see here we have my book content where it has the combination of title and authors. Okay, so let's also, if I just go the info, wait, to be data, so see average rating is now in the float. Okay, so that can be used in my cosine similarity concept. Okay, now I need to use my TF-IDF vectorization technique to convert those string values into numerical forms. Okay, so TF-IDF I'll be taking as a variable. Here I'll be use that function, and for the stop words I'll be giving it English. It will be small caps English. Okay, now I need to create an matrix where I'll be comparing all those things. So TF-IDF dot feed transform data, simply pass the feature name book content. Okay, wait a minute, TF-IDF matrix and TF-IDF, I think it's, wait, acha, let's run this. Done, right? Now I need to compute my similarity score. For that, cosine sim. Now let's run my linear kernel function. Linear kernel, here I need to pass my matrices. Okay, so I need to pass two of them, 2 times. Done. So here I'll be having my cosine similarity score. Okay, now let's create the recommendation function. Recommendation system. Okay, how we gonna do that? Further we'll be have to write a function, let's say recommend, right? what do we need to pass? We need to pass the book title and the cosine sim. Okay, now let's write the algo how it's gonna search. So let's say in this idx data of data title, so if it matches with book title of, let's say, the index, I think it's perfect now, dot index 0, then I need to check the similarity score. So sim scores should be in the list. I need to check my enumerate my cosine sim idx, and then simply I need to sort it the values because I need the top 10 or top 5, whatever as per your requirement. Same scores, I need to pass the key here. I had to create a lambda function for an condition that if x should be 1, okay, otherwise let's reverse it to true. For the last one, to get the books in indexes, here I need to simply, before that I need to give one more line that how many indexes I'm gonna pick. So for that, let's say same score, I'll be taking the first 10 or first 6, like first 5. Okay, so then I of 0 for I in same scores. I think it's all right. I for I in same score, book of indexes of 0 for I in same score. All right, then simply I'll return the title of that particular book also with the indexes. Okay, so book index. All right, done. So my recommendation function is done. Now let's test it. So for that, let's say I have this one, book title. I'll be giving it a name of it. After having that, recommended books, I'll be need my function recommend, where I'll be passing this title, book title. Okay, then simply I need to recommended books, right? So what books I should test first? So let's say we have these books. Okay, Anna Karenina, like the title of the book. So let me copy it and let me paste it over here and let me run this. So you could see we have this 5 books, Anna Karenina. We have this all books is over here. Okay, so that's it. We just built a content-based book recommendation system using Python and TF-IDF and Cosine Similarity. It might look simple, and in future we'll be building much more complex systems. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, then do a like and subscribe for this kind of more projects, and hit the bell icon to stay updated from my next videos. So yeah, thanks for watching.